pitchers were outstanding on both sides. I'm looking at that. We walked one and struck out 19 of them, and their pitcher struck out 16 of us, but we did walk 8 times. Luke Scott, great night. I mean, not only the hits, but the walks, including that last walk, which put us in position to win that game. But I always say, I've told hitters this for years, when you're walking, you're hitting. I know people don't quite understand that. I'm not saying look for walks. The point is, again, to not expand your strike zone. So all of a sudden, he looks locked in because he is not stretching for strikes. And that's the big play of the night, him walking right there, permitting Zoe to get that knock.
But Zobrist on a tear since being named an All-Star.
Yeah, he actually, he had a little bit of a tough night tonight up until that moment, but again came through. It got a hanging breaking ball right there. He's playing great defense too. He's playing very good on defense. It's nice to see that happen for him today. But again, you look at the overall effort of the pitching staff tonight. It was outstanding. I mean, Helly was really good. I mean, the bullpen, they all obviously did their jobs. Jamie Wright was really, really good for his 2 innings too. So up and down. I got to give them credit. I mean, they do have a good bullpen. Minnesota's got a really good bullpen. Those are some good arms, and they match up against you versus righties and lefties. They're impressive out of the bullpen. Very, very pleased with our effort tonight.